Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay, hope we can start doing MCQ questions from probability. Okay, write the question. Write the question. A letter is selected at random. A letter is selected at random from the set of English alphabets. A letter is selected at random from the set of English alphabets. What is the probability that? What is the probability that it is a vowel? It is a vowel. What is the probability that it is a vowel? A letter is selected at random. A letter is selected at random from the set of English alphabets. A letter is selected at random from the set of English alphabets. What is the probability that it is a vowel? What is the answer? How many alphabets are there?
26.
26, yes. Okay, out of them, how many are vowels?
5.
5. So what is the probability of selecting a vowel?
5 by 26.
5 by 26. Very good, Hadi Amin. So what is the probability of selecting a consonant? Consonant means not vowels.
21 by 26.
21 by 26. So here it is 5 by 26. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Write the next one. Next one. A bag contains 15 white and some black balls. A bag contains 15 white and some black balls. Probability of drawing a black ball. Probability of drawing a black ball is. Probability of drawing a black ball is thrice the probability of drawing a black ball is thrice the probability of.
You can say the question.
A bag contains 15 white and some black balls. A bag contains 15 white and some black balls. Probability of drawing a white ball. Probability of drawing a white ball is thrice that of. Probability of drawing a black ball is thrice that of drawing a white.
Black or white?
Okay. Probability.
Thrice the probability of.
Thrice probability of selecting a black ball is thrice the probability of selecting a white ball. Probability of selecting the white ball. The number of black balls is dash. Then the number of black balls is dash. So these are the options given. A is 15, B is 30, C is, okay, both two options are given same here. Okay, D is 45. A is 30, B is 30, A is 15, B 30, C 30, and D is 45.
And there are 230.
Yes, yes, in the book it is given. So you write either B or C. What is that? If you are getting 30, write the answer. Which one? B or C. Both are same option given here. Okay. For the exam, if it is asked like this, you write the first one. Anyhow, 30, they will correct it. If you get B or C. For the exam also sometimes Like this, you may get same option. So you mark any which is the correct answer. You mark one of the correct option.
45.
Yes, 45.
Yes. Ma'am, X is equal to
Why
40.
was 30?
30. Probability of
Why?
draw.
Why
Ma'am, X
2?
is equal to 40.
The question is, what is the number of black balls? What is the number of black balls? A bag contains 15 white. A bag contains 15 white and some black balls.
Ma'am, 3 into 15.
3 into 15. So what is the probability of selecting the black ball? So x by 15 is equal to, isn't it? Here it is 3 into, what is the probability of white ball? We don't know, isn't it? Probability of white ball, it is 15 by. So what is the answer? How will you get 30? It is x is 45 only. Yes or no, Aditya?
No, why 2 B and C are 30?
It is given in the question paper like this. So I gave the same. Sometimes for the exam, okay, sometimes for the exam for board paper also, sometimes we get like this. When you get like this, don't get confused. If you're, what is the answer there? What is your answer there? It is 45. You mark the correct answer and leave it. Okay. If suppose your answer is 30 and 2 options are there, then what do? You mark any one of the options there, A or C. What is the option? B or C means you mark either C or B. It will be taken into account. Okay, but here, although 2 options are there, don't think that 2 options are there. What is your answer? You check, solve it and mark the correct answer here. Okay. Write the next one. Write the next one. The probability of, next one, the probability of selecting a red ball at random. The probability of selecting a red ball at random. The probability of selecting a red ball at random from a jar. The probability of selecting a red ball at random from a jar containing only red, blue, and orange balls is the probability of selecting a red ball at random from a jar containing red, blue, and orange balls is 1/4. Red, blue, and orange balls is 1/4. Red, blue, and orange balls is 1/4. The probability of selecting a red ball from a bag containing, so the bag contains, it is given red balls are there, blue balls are there, and orange balls are there. And selecting the orange ball, it is red ball, it is given as 1/4. The probability of selecting a blue ball is 1/3. Probability of selecting a blue ball is 1/3. And selecting a blue ball is 1/3. And the number of orange balls is 10. Number of orange balls is 10. Number of orange balls is 10. Find the total number of balls. Find the total number of balls. Find the total number of balls.
Can you repeat question once more?
The probability of selecting a red ball The probability of selecting a red ball from a jar. The probability of selecting a red ball from a jar that contains red, blue, and orange balls is 1/4. The probability of selecting a blue ball is 1/3. Probability of selecting a blue ball is 1/3. And the number of orange balls is 10. Number of orange balls is 10. Find the total number of balls. Find the total number of balls. How will you do this?
17.
17. How? Okay, solve it and try it. Okay, don't give it. Okay, look at here. The options are given like this. I'll give the options. A is 16, B is 20, C is 24, D is 26. Give the answer. How will you do this? What we know, sum of all probabilities is 1. Is or no? When you add up all the probabilities, probability of red plus probability of blue ball plus probability of orange balls will be 1. So 1/4 plus 1/3 plus probability of orange, it is not given, it is 1. From here, can you calculate what is the probability of selecting an orange ball? It is 1 minus 1/4 minus 1/3, isn't it? Calculate and tell me what is the probability of orange ball. Probability of red is given, blue is given, orange is not given. So we know that sum of all probabilities is 1. From there, you subtract it. So what is the probability of selecting an orange ball? If you take the common LCM as 12, 12 minus 3 minus 4, which will be same as 5/12. Is it correct? But what is the formula we have learned for probability of probability? Probability of an event is given by possible number by total. So 10/x. Total number we don't know. Orange balls, it is 10. So 10/x is 5/12. Now cross multiply and find out what is x. Okay, is it clear, children? Probability of orange. How will you find the probability of an event? Possible outcomes by total. Total number of folds we don't know. We take it as x. Probability of orange. Okay, number of orange, it is given as 10. So probability of selecting the orange ball will be 10/x, which is equivalent to 5/12. From here, simplify and find out what is the value of x.
24.
X is 24. Is it okay? Hadi Amin? Adidev? Meghna? Meghna, is it okay? Rifa?
Yes, ma'am.
Vishnu Vivi? Is it okay? This question, is it clear? Write the next one. Write the next question. Next one. A number x is selected at random. A number x is selected at random. A number x is selected at random from the numbers. A number x is selected at random from the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16. A number x is selected at random from the numbers 1, 4.
A number x is selected from the
X is selected from the numbers. The number x is selected from the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay, among these 4 numbers, you select one number. Okay, and the number y is selected at random. And the number y is selected at random. And the number y is selected at random. And the number y is selected at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number y is selected at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the probability. Find the probability that. Find the probability that the value of xy. Find the probability that the value of xy is more than 16. Find the probability of the value xy is more than 16. Probability of xy, x into y is more than 16. A number is selected at random from the numbers 1, 4, 9, and 16. Another number y is selected at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Find the probability that the value xy is greater than 16. And the option is given like this. Option A, 3 by 8. B, 5 by 8. C, 7 by 8. And D as 1. Okay, yeah, we take one number from the first set, y from the second set, x from the first set, and y from the second set. And we take the product xy. Okay, we want to find the probability where the product will be greater than 16. Okay, before doing this, can you tell me what is the total outcomes? What will be the total outcomes? What will be the total outcome?
8.
8. No.
16.
Yes, Savio. It is 16. Okay, how? We find the product. You take the first number and we multiply with the 4. So 1 for one data, you will multiply with this. So 4. Like this, 4 numbers are there. So 4 into 4, 16. Okay. If you want, we can draw the table like this, like we throw a die. So here 4 outcomes are there. 1, 4, 9, 16. Again here 4 outcomes are there. 1, 4, 9, 16. One data is for x, other is for y. You find out the product xy. You find the product xy. Earlier we did one question with the sum, isn't it? Here we do it with the product. 1 into 1, it is 1. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 16 is 16. 4 into 1, 4. 16, 36. 16
Ma'am, we
into...
are adding only now.
Here what is given? Look at the question. What is given here? XY is given. What is the condition given? Accordingly, you have to select. Here xy means x into y, product. Okay. This 64. Okay. According to the question. Okay. In the previous question, it was sum. Here it is given the product. Now, okay. Is it clear, Rose? The table, how we fill the table, is it okay? One number we are taking from x. So x values, if you write here, 1, 4, 9, 6. Y value, oh sorry children, y value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't write this table. Here, both the sides I wrote x. Both the sides I wrote x. Here what you have to do? One side you have to x. Suppose we write x values here. Means suppose I x values 1, 4, 9, 16. The other side you write y. Y values, what are the y values? 1, 2, 3, 4. You write the y values. Okay. Here I wrote this x into x. It is not xy. Okay. Here I wrote both the sides. I wrote the same numbers. X also. Yeah. Okay. So here y values are different. Y value is different. So y value, write it along one side. X value, write it along one side. Then find out the product. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 9, 16. Then if you take this with 2, 8, 18, 32, 3, 12, 27, 48, 4, 16, 64. Now from here, you can count and tell. Find out what is the answer. Product. Yes?
3 by 8.
3 by 8. So total outcome is 16, isn't it? Others, please check it. Is it 3 by 8? You want a number greater than 16, isn't it? Greater than 16. So how many possibilities are there? 1, 2. Is 3 by 8. Finished?
Ma'am, 48 is equal to 48.
48. How? Have you got that as 1? What is product is greater than 16, isn't it? What is the total possibility? Count and see when you take the product, how many possibilities are there? What are the total number of possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total possibility is 16. And what is asked here? Product is greater than 16. You count and see in how many cases you will get the product greater than 16. In 6 cases only we get product greater than 16. Yes or no, Melvin? Surya, is it okay? Surya? What is the answer, Surya? What is the answer you got for this question? Yes, Surya? What is the answer, Surya? Nirupama? What's your answer, Nirupama? Nirupama? Write the next one. Write the next one.
3/8.
Okay. Just 3/8. It is 3/8. Write the next one. Write the next question. A bag contains white, black, and red balls. A bag contains white, red, and black balls. A bag contains white, red, and black balls. One ball is drawn at random. One ball is drawn at random. One ball is drawn at random. If the probability of getting a white ball is, a bag contains white, black, and red balls. A ball is drawn at random. If the probability of getting a white ball is 3/10, probability of getting a white ball is 3/10, and probability of getting a black ball, probability of getting a black ball is 2/5. What is the probability of getting a red ball? What is the probability of getting a red ball?
Black ball.
Probability of getting black ball is 2/5. Probability of red ball is dash. Nas Parveen, what is the answer, Nas Parveen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the probability of, how will you find this? Probability of red ball. How will you find this? Yes, Arjun. Earlier we did one similar question. Probability of white ball is given as 3/10. Probability of selecting a black ball is 2/5. The question is, what is the probability of selecting a red ball? What is, how will you do this, Arjun? Yes. How you will do this? First give the steps. After that we can check the answer. How you will do this?
1 minus 2/5 plus 3/10.
Very good, Aman. Okay, sum of all probabilities is 1. That bag, look at the bag. That bag contains only white, black, and red. Okay, contains white, black, and red. So what we know? Probability of white plus probability of black plus probability of red. If you add it, it will be 1. So what is the probability of selecting a red ball? So from the 1, you subtract it. 1 minus 3/10 minus 2/5. Simplify this and give the answer. What is the probability of selecting the red ball? Okay, total probability is 1. Okay, total probability is 1. It is given in the bag. White balls are there, black balls are there, and red balls are there. So when you take the probability, sum of all probabilities is 1.
Ma'am, 3/10.
It is 3/10. Okay, Rosebi, is it correct? 3/10.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. Here, don't add these two and make an answer and then do like this. Instead of that, you take the common LCM as 10. Try to do it with minimum number of steps. You take the common LCM as 10. So here, 10, you have to multiply by 10 minus 3. Here to make it 10, we will multiply by 2. So it will become 4. So 10 minus 7 by 10, which is 3 by 10. Okay. Very good, Aman. Now, okay, the question is not over. In that question, one more part is there. One more part is there. Okay, first part, is it over? Completed? Now look at the second part. If the bag contains 20 black balls, if the bag contains 20 black balls, bag contains 20 black balls. If the bag contains 20 black balls, what is the total number of balls? What is the total number of balls? Black balls, 20 black balls are there. We have to find what is the total balls. What is the answer, Prajot? Can't hear. I think it is muted. Prajot, check. What is the answer, Prajot? Yes, John, give me the answer, John. What is the total number of balls?
And 20 by x is equal to
Very
2
good.
by 5.
Yes, is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, 2 if you cancel, this is 10. And then you cross multiply, total number of balls is 50, 50. Okay, probability of selecting the black ball. How will you find the probability of selecting the black ball? Number of black balls by total balls. Total balls, we take it as x. So 20 by x is 2 by 5. Cross multiply, simplify, and find the value of x. Okay. Write the next one.
Can you show the bottom marking?
Yes, Aditya, just 50. Write the next one. A number x is chosen at random. A number x is chosen at random. From the numbers, a number x is chosen at random from the numbers. A number x is chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. A number x is chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Find the probability of x square less than or equal to 4. Find the probability of x square less than or equal to 4. Find the probability of getting x square less than or equal to 4. So one,
Can you repeat the question?
a number x is selected at random. A number is x is selected at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the probability of x square less than or equal to 4? What is the probability of x square less than or equal to 4? What is the answer? Yes, give your answer, children. Tell me, what is the answer? Fia, Pratyush,
4/7.
4/7. Okay. Any other answer? 4/7. Pratyush, what is your answer? Yes, Fia, your answer is correct. How you get the answer? Tell me the answer.
By doing the square of all the numbers.
Very good. We square it. Okay, this is x, isn't it? So you square it. It will be 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. We want x square less than or equal to 4. So when you square it, less than or equal to 4 means, is it 4/7?
5/7.
Okay, here the mistake what we will do is we will not be including 0. It is a common mistake. We will take 1, 2 and all. When you square it, negative also will become positive. Pia, okay, 4/7, I think you did, whether you included 0 there?
No, ma'am.
It's okay, it's a common mistake fine. Okay, 1 square is 1, 2 square. Okay, what about 0? 0 is also less than 4. Okay, so note it. Okay, change it. It is 5/7. X square is less than or equal to 4 is 5/7. Write the next one. Is it okay, Arjun? Is it okay, Arjun? Okay. Hey, Steve, Afsana, Adil.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Is it okay? Previous question. Now write the next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
1,000 tickets were sold. 1,000 tickets were sold. And 5 prizes are there on these tickets. 1,000 tickets were sold and 5 prizes were there on these tickets. And 5 prizes were there on these tickets. John purchased one lottery. John purchased one lottery. What is the probability of winning a prize? What is the probability of winning a prize? 1,000 tickets of lottery were sold and there are 5 prizes on these tickets. John purchased one lottery. What is the probability of winning a prize? John, what is the answer?
5/1000.
Very good. Because total tickets are 1,000. And how many? What are the possible chances of winning? 5. So answer is 5/1000. That when we can simplify, isn't it? 5 by 1000, when you simplify, what will be the answer?
1 by 200.
1 by 200. Just 1 by 200. Okay. So children, today your work is after this. Okay. After the class, sit and learn probability. Make it thorough with probability. Okay. Today I'll send 2 case study questions from probability. Practice that questions. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.